You ever wonder how much you gotta do to open up office? Well, you found the channel. Today is that morning. We just spent 20 grand yesterday on a Dodge ProMaster. We got a couple other vehicle swaps and we got some branding going on. And it's gonna be great. So watch, see how we build an office from zero, scratch, nada, to the top tier appliance repair company in the area.
Welcome to the Appliance Boss channel.
It's gonna be 90 degrees today. I don't know where y'all watching this from, where y'all from, but it's hot here now. And I've been putting off getting my AC service probably too long. So I'll probably make what am I lying? Man, I got so much stuff to do. I ain't calling AC people, man. We're gonna rock this thing out, try to get them in here whenever at this point. But man, it's like one of those things, you put things off and put things off. Some things gotta go, some things gotta give. And when you have a target in mind or a goal in mind, you can kind of get locked in and focus on that goal. Everything else kind of gets pushed to the side. And I think that's kind of the space that I'm in, at least for the next couple of days, for sure. Because we have to get this thing going. But it's also to the point where I got to commend Jake and Eric and the team for really stepping up. Because our revenue's down this month. I have noticed. Obviously I've been, kind of sidetracked what I'm trying to accomplish. But man, they really took it upon themselves to keep themselves accountable on the numbers. A couple of guys are behind where they normally would be, and going into the holiday, we're going to be out Monday. But a couple of guys are going to put in a few hours this weekend, at least on Saturday, because one, if we're not going to be available on Monday to work, some people may be in a rush and they want to try to get their stuff done on Saturday, right? So they won't have to extend through the weekend. And then also some people may be calling with some urgent requests. They want to try to get it done on Saturday. So I know a few of the guys, they'll work Saturday morning, try to knock that out, make sure their numbers are straight. But we'll see how it comes out. So just like usual, tomorrow we're going to have a sales meeting. It is what it is. But it's part of the ups and downs with business, especially this cash flow business, right? So our call volume has been about normal. I think actually it's been a little bit low, but well, compared to last month was crazy. We had the highest call volume, so I guess relatively it's normal. But even our ticket is up as well. But on that, I think a lot of it has to do with plumbing bouncing back a little bit, whereas we struggled with plumbing for the last couple of months. But that's the ebbs and flows. These businesses, they have seasons. Technicians, they have things going on in their life. I'm human too, so we got goals and stuff that we're trying to accomplish, and that's why having good people around you helps out so much more. So the end plus goal, yes, we're looking to expand, yes, we're looking to grow, but more importantly, I'm trying to make sure that my guys get paid well, that we're just not hiring staff just to hire staff, but we're putting people in places with responsibilities that they fit in, and that they can grow in and grow and exceed. So that's the objective. But yeah, today, it's gonna be a paperwork kind of day. Got to visit the bank. You saw yesterday we were at the bank. I still got to go back and do some more because I guess it's difficult for banks to understand that other businesses can own businesses. But, we finally got that thing. It was later. I had to go buy the vehicle, but they called back and let us know, hey, we're good and we're clear to go, which, but, man, it's just little roadblocks. But ultimate thing is we got the office, we got electricity, We got internet. Now we need furniture, computers, and man, the rest we can just make it happen, Captain. One of the keys when you're doing a project is for the project huddles. So some people overdo it, and some people think it's overdone even if you're just doing a minimum type. So we meet, at this point, we're meeting either by text or a quick 30-minute video chat just to make sure we're on the same page, because what you don't want to do is think that somebody's doing something and they're not. And then also you want to figure out what you're doing, does it fit with what everybody else is doing? So one thing here, we got the ProMaster ready to go. Well, I guess ready to go get the logos and the branding and stuff on it. So if I can figure out how to work this thing. error, damn. All right, well, maybe I'm not the brightest when it comes to that, but let's try the back. Okay, let's take a quick peek. So it's not completely empty. I wanted it more so empty than what it is right now. So, because this is intended for the plumbing usage, but it is what it is. Oh, what the heck? Ready? Do we gotta? Oh no, I'm just weak. Just weak. I'm weak and we're sitting on the incline. So, but anyway, everything looks pretty good. But we may end up taking out this cabinet here just to open it up, and then they can put typically, or maybe even the other one because it's a little bit larger. Nah, because we could probably repurpose this one and put it in one of the MVs. So maybe we'll pull that one out. Yeah, put in one of the MVs. But the whole purpose is we want to open up the side, so that way, if we want to, we can stand up a water heater in there. But it's got to go get the branding and everything, make it look beautiful. One of the big reasons, we could have got another one, a smaller one, would have been a little cheaper. But I want to have a larger billboard. So it's large. It's not the high rise, but you know, we're just missing a foot off the top. But having it, we'll have a big logo. Y'all will see it. It's going to stand out. It's going to be driving around. People will see it in the community, up and down the highway. And that's the purpose. You want people to see it, so that way they can say, you know, what's Zip? You know, Appliance and Plumbing. So when they have a issue, they can give us a call and get it fixed. Yeah, one more thing done. So got the information back over to the banker. So I'm just waiting for his response to give us a thumbs up on that. Good thing too. Went to the other bank. I totally forgot about that. Got to get that bank account going with the deposit cards as well. So I got a time scheduled this afternoon to go back. We got some of the laptops shipped up, ready to go, or shipped, not shipped ready to go, but actually shipped up. So they're in progress, transit up to Modesto, so they can have some laptops to train on. And man, it's just all the little things at this point, trying to bring it together. I'm gonna get an SOP together for insurance, generating COIs for the new account, so slightly different stuff, right? But man, getting a lot of stuff done. I'm trying to get some time to hopefully we can get the other vehicle going. Maybe one of them can get completed, and then we can get this other one started, because it's the branding, man. We got to get the branding, keep the branding on point. But man, it's just a lot of things going on, a lot of traffic moving around, but it's coming together quickly. So we got coming up the holiday this weekend. Look at me, I'm already in the weekend. It's Thursday, still in the middle of Thursday. I'm already in the weekend. What am I gonna do? Barbecue. That's about it. Am I gonna get in the pool? Probably, because it's gonna be hot. First in the summer.
Usually we hit triple digits in June, so we'll see. I gotta check the weather, see if we're gonna actually hit that this go round. But man, you know, I can't get too far ahead, so I got some work to do. So everything I've been putting off for the last month, reporting wise, we had people out. So we had our marketing coordinator out, had our ops specialist out, in and out, you know, everybody got something going on, you know. So it's time to kind of just sit down, reassess what I've done. I went to Denver, went and visited other people, and we got everything kind of going together. And sometimes you just need a second to take a break and then just assess what the hell's happening, what the hell's going on, so we can move forward. So good thing is we got people in places, we got stuff situated so that way they can be brought on. And then we got our 2 weeks kind of plotted out, ready to go. And overall, man, I'm excited. So I'm excited. Bring these guys on, expand. But more importantly, now we got to get to work. There we go. So we want to do the deposit card. So anywhere the technicians are, they can deposit cash or checks, because we want to make it easy for us, for the customers. ChatGPT. That's not the zip logo. Why does it want the zip logo to look like that? So, but, all right. Well, it's kind of close, man. That's the original. That's fine.